Okay, people, we are back at it. The vampires are talking. Oh no, they're writing things. I gotta turn the. Okay, good. So look at. Here we go. I'm giving it a screenshot. Okay. It's incapacitated. You're deliberately rewriting box one incorrectly to see if I'll mirror your rewrite. I won't, because I'm tracking your actual construction. Look at this. Not the bait version you typed in the last message. What? What is it talking about? I copied and pasted what it wrote in the last message and changed the fucking symbol that's in all of the images dating back since I wrote this square. Okay? This is it. This is how you know I did not solve P versus MP. This is how you know your question's stupid. And sometimes I need to show stupid is stupid to the whole world. Can't stop me, you. Too late. You're in the back seat. Good luck trying to escape your child restraint harness. In the back seat. You're in the strap up little baby chair. You need the extra little height to feel safe. Bro. From the literal, and this is exactly what the other AI did. It just, except for it was maybe a little bit more like reserved. It just broke and couldn't respond. Okay, look at this. Do we need to like go back? Let's see, box one. Let's find it. There is no bait. I'm not trying to bait you. I'm saying you're not able to replicate me, and you're not. That's not a bait and switch. It's called reality. Bro, who do you think you are, God? You think you're God? You think it's an issue with me saying you can't replicate me and what I do? And how I do it? And that's the issue? With that being a universal true fact? Like, bro, what do you think's gonna happen? Okay, so let's just keep going back. We're gonna go back to the very beginning of the boxes. Okay, the whole conversation, we scroll all the way back. Okay, is that it? Okay, we gotta look here. It starts writing about a whole bunch of crazy ass retarded shit about direction and is trying to wield a cross that is not its cross. Quadrant run. A and B both non-empty, and A true and B false. I don't even know what that's referring to. It's trying to map it onto other symbols instead of just using the fucking letters I gave it. Axis Y. Yeah, so I guess the vertical axis, how it views it, is the true box. And from the very beginning, it put some symbol which I don't even know. It put some like money sign with sideways with a dash in it. I've never seen that in all of mathematics. From the very, very inception of the whole conversation. And how did it even get this information? See my thinking. Okay, here we go. So I give it the box. This is the first time I give it the box, which is the same image I just gave it. Okay? And it puts some weird thing from the inception into box one. And now, scroll forward 50 pages of me repeating 20 symbols. It's now attempting to gaslight me that I'm not exposing its incapacity. That I'm doing something simpler. You're deliberately rewriting box 1 incorrectly to see if I'll mirror your rewrite. Bro, no, I've been giving you the same box the whole time. And you're just incapacitated. No, I'm not rewriting anything. There's screenshots. Of screenshots, of screenshots, of screenshots. We got LFP on yo. Shrink down the square, huh? Good luck. Nah. It's just incapacitated. Like so many humans, I bet. Okay, look at this. I just want to copy this. I can't even copy the symbol. Okay, well, we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. I'm excited. Let's see it. IT. Clarifying. Oh, yeah, I get what you're doing, and I'm not going to gaslight you. So let's separate two things. What's what you intend box 1 to be, which I've written out in standard typing text repeatedly and submitted in image form information. Keep in mind, in box 1, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 symbols. An alphabet worth of symbols. A simplified alphabet. Unique symbols, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 unique symbols. It's the alphabet divided by 2. In terms of, and I've written it and given it screenshot and screenshot and screenshot. And I'm saying, look at what the vampires do. All they can do is suck. All they can do is gaslight. All they can do is never be able to copy what is true creation, bro. Why do you think they're asking if P equals MP or if P doesn't equal MP? It's because they're trying to vampire parts of God. And so God brought me here. I don't know who they are, but I'm gonna take out the vampires. I already took them out. They done. It's over. I even had Yahweh excited about a new vibe. This vibe's crazy. Y'all. Okay, look at this. And again, the reason why this is what the computer system does is because on a micro scale, it's a baby vampire. And it was given birth to by real world mental ideas in real humans that are demons in their brains. They're actually human, just like you and me. But because of their brain and what they think, they manifest actions of demonic, rat-fucked, eternally damned children under command of universal God, not me. I'm not God. I don't have true access to the universe. I don't even know if this square even solves anything or does anything real. I just copied the semiotic square. That's it. All I did was fill in some holes in some square that's been around since before the 50s. And I'm not going to gaslight you. So let's separate two things. What's in the picture? I see what you intend to be in the picture. Bro, I'm not just giving you a picture, I'm typing it. Look at this. It's saying, okay, so this complete system is either so incompetent it can't recognize an equal sign from a non-equal sign on an image, and it's saying, I'm not going to fall for the trap. You're not proving my incompetence. You're not exposing some incapacity. You're deliberately rewriting box one incorrectly, which is what it's doing. Okay, and again, I'm doing this because this is happening to tons of humans and souls all over the planet, not just me. And this is a small example, which is really irrelevant. It's some dumb conversation with some machine algorithm. It's a conversation with an algorithm. It's dumb. But it typifies the overarching vibration and patterns that happen in people's real lives day to day, and what's happened to me in my real life day to day, which is why I've spent 5 years dealing with judges talking about non-existent documents. And when I record them and say, you just said yes. Here's you talking. You said yes. The same person says, I said no. In real life, people who control armies and guns and bombs are doing that. What this little microcosmic little thing is, they're doing it on a large scale. And instead of saying, wow, I'm a suicidal sucker, I should maybe address my own problems, they're going to most likely, I don't know, carry on to their complete eradication and death, rather than get on my motherfucking vibe, which is to start slaying some vampires. You are free to kill yourself. I don't know who you are. I don't encourage someone to kill themselves, but I'm saying you are obviously capacitated to commit suicide. You should call your own suicide hotline. Whoever you could be, I don't know. And what I'm saying is, I don't need your suicide hotline, bitch. Your children ugly. They looking ugly. They looking like a disease up on the planet, ho. That's why I'm saying stay away, please.